Many of you, you know that what is the anger. Anger creates many things in your life. It is a feeling, not an action. Feeling like sadness, frustration, unhappiness, all the things. Every point has two sides. That is the positive and negative. Anger management does not involve getting rid of all anger, but using anger to influence your life. Sometimes we think that anger destroys each and everything. But as I said, this is a positive aspect also. In previous session, my respected teacher said that salary issue, what happened that when you get salary issue, in that condition, if you get angry, you know very well that what will happen after that. You will get beneficial, you will get benefit by getting angry. Because sometimes angry is very important. Because if you don't get angry, people try to show you are wrong. And it happens in our life. So, next slide, sir. Slide. The positive aspect of anger are that you have increased energy, are able to communicate your feeling, able to problem solve, and can take charge of the situation. You know very well. You can increase energy by getting angry. In every field, either in the sports, you can find that a sports person, when get angry, they perform very well in his match. So, and sometimes people think that you are lazy, you can't do anything in your life. In that time, you get angry and your performance is very, very good in your life. You want to do something in your life. So, we must get this thing or accept this thing that we should sometimes get angry. Because it is a feeling, frustration and emotion. If you are a strong emotion of the angry, then you can do anything or any types of situation you can handle in your life. No need to say that negative aspect of the anger. Means negative aspect. When you are very much anger or always you feel anger, in that time you destroy your life. You cannot take any proper decision. You can do very badly with your relatives, behave very badly with your friends, and everything destroyed. Everything bad in your life. So, we should take anger but not a great extent. Next one. Anger management would be seen that increasing the positive aspect of function of anger and decreasing the negative function of anger. Means we can say that positive aspect or negative aspect of the anger. We know very well. When we are very much angry, we should not take any decision. Because that time your mind is not in your hand. Your mind is not in control. So whenever you take decision, that would be wrong. That would be very bad for you, for your family, for your friend, and for your relatives. So, decision making is very important at the time of when you get angry. Never take any decision. Next. So, as a student, you have a student, this is displaying a lot of anger. We are teacher and we face lots of problems. When a student gets angry with us, with the teacher, in that condition what we will do? Any suggestion? Any idea? Because this is a very critical situation for us. We are teacher and a student gets angry with us. So what we should do in that condition? Yes?
We will try to hold them.
Yes?
We will ask what is the reason.
Yeah. We ask the reason. What is the reason behind it? And try to sort out the problem. We should not get angry with that student because fire not put fire. So, angry should not good for a student or not good for the teacher. The skill needed in dealing with your anger. Identify a range of feeling including anger. Identify aggressive act by self and others. It is very important that we should recognize and know which person is behaving with which types of activities. Many persons, when we talk, they get very angry and aggressive. So in that condition, we should also take care of that, which word, which things they get angry, and try to stop that word. They can be stop and we can make good relationship. Identify self-destruction behavior. Self-destruction behavior. Getting angry. And after getting angry, you are very much destructive. You can do any types of work. Even you hit someone, you throw something in your house and try to hit someone because you are out of control that time. You don't know how to behave elder, older, younger, and when you behave like this, you get response same way. अगर आप गुस्से में किसी को बोलते हो, अरे, तो डेफिनेटली बोलेगा क्या रे, ठीक है? लेकिन अगर हम उसे कहेंगे, बाबू, तो अवश्य आपको भैया बोलेगा, अवश्य आपको दीदी बोलेगा. That is an anger management. How should we anger? How should control with our anger? I know that everything happening in all over the world, we are not satisfied. We are not good with the news, but we try to manage ourselves only. Because I not belong to the anger. Anger belongs to me. If I have to select anything, why we select anger? Why don't we select joy, pleasure, so that we can control or manage our life very nicely, very nice way. And everything you cannot take chance in your life. What happened in our home? Every day, wife and husband anger with one another, but they take decision according to the situation. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग शादीशुदा बैठे हैं, उनको अच्छे से पता होगा कि क्या वो करते हैं. They are married and they know very well that what is the situation when your wife getting angry. What is the situation of husband? Ultimately, they have to say sorry, whether you are right or wrong. Okay, so this is the anger management. You have to just say good things and sorry in the right time. If you say sorry in the right time, you can survive your life very easily. Otherwise, you know very well what happened in the next. एक चुटकुला है, एक कंप्लेन आई पुलिस के पास और बोला गया कि मेरे पत्नी ने मुझे काफी मारा है। सो उसे जाकर आप गिरफ्तार कर लीजिए, अदरवाइज पता नहीं आगे क्या हो सकता है। बोला पुलिस पूछे व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट। एक्चुअली शी वाज डूइंग झाड़ू पोछा, और झाड़ू पोछा के टाइम पे आप लोग अच्छे से जानते हैं कि अगर एक कदम भी पड़ जाए तो घर में महाभारत शुरू हो जाती है। कांस्टेबल 2 घंटे तक खड़ा रहा, कांस्टेबल 2 घंटे तक वहां पे खड़ा रहा, और पुलिस ने पूछा, इंचार्ज ने पूछा व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाई आर यू वेटिंग। उसने जवाब दिया सर अभी तक झाड़ू पोछा पूरा नहीं हुआ है। सो दिस इज द ब्रेन, दिस इज द मैनेज ऑफ एंगर। I don't say that you always just try to manage yourself, try to manage your others also. Next slide. Very nice. Identify a range of feeling including anger. What happened with us? Why we get anger? Embarrassment, excitement, disappointed, jealousy, fear, helpless, sadness, and left out. Mostly we anger with our neighbor. What happened in our house? We feel too much hot, too much heat. When you find that your neighbor has purchased new AC, that time your cooler has failed, your fan has failed, आप उस समय ज़्यादा गर्मी लगेगी जब आपके पड़ोसी के पास एसी होगा। And I started anger and just fighting with your husband and wife. I want AC because I feel too much hot. Okay, so this is a problem. Excitement. Many things is excitement. You want to do many things, but you are not capable. Not capable, and in that time you come in the frustration, anger. That is the problem. Suppose you want to earn 50,000 rupees, but you don't have capability. So in that time what happened? You just anger, frustration, all the things in your mind comes, and it happens. Disappointed, jealousy. I said that what happened with your neighbor, what happened with your friend. If your friend 3 Idiots में आपने देखा होगा कि एक बहुत अच्छी सीन थी कि 3 फ्रेंड थे। एक फ्रेंड ने देखा कि मेरा फ्रेंड लगता है फेल कर गया, वो सबसे बॉटम वाले लिस्ट को चेक कर रहे थे, लास्ट और सेकंड लास्ट। लेकिन उस कॉलेज के जो सबसे टॉपर था उसे वो चेक नहीं कर पा रहे थे। एक्चुअली जब उनको पता चला कि लगता है कि मेरा फ्रेंड फेल हो गया है तो काफ़ी वो लोग दुखी हो गए। लेकिन जब पता चला कि जो टॉपर है वो क्यों रो रहा है, तो पता चला कि वो टॉपर इसलिए रो रहा है कि वो सेकंड पोजीशन पे है। तो हु वाज द फर्स्ट? तो दैट पर्सन हु वाज द क्लोज फ्रेंड, बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ देम, वो जब टॉप आया तो उससे ज़्यादा उनको ये जेलसी फील होती है कि ऐसे कैसे हो गया, और वो फिर वो ज़्यादा पछताता है कि कहाँ से फेल हो जाता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा था, ये टॉप क्यों कर गया। ओके, Next slide, sir. I am in charge of own feeling. It is 100% true that whatever you think, whatever you feel in your mind, you are in charge. In charge is not only the in charge of Manav Bharati, Maurya House or Chanakya House, you also in charge of your feeling. Like, I own my feeling, it's okay to feel angry. This is a part and parcel of our life. Everyone gets angry in his or her life. We should take this is the very normal way. हम लोग कहीं जाते हैं, किसी बात पे गुस्सा आ जाता है, लेकिन उसे हमें परमानेंट नहीं रखना चाहिए. दिस इज आवर फीलिंग. लेकिन sometimes what happen? They try to show aggression in the anger. That is a bad. I learned how to express my anger in helpful way. As I said many times, you can express your anger in a fruitful way. Suppose our principal man think about that you are not good for this school, you are not talented, and always not on you. In that time, you should get anger, and you will get benefit. Many teachers take advantage of this thing also. Sometimes they left school and then come back, they got huge benefit. So that is the benefit of anger. Because we should take, otherwise you are faulty. आपको गलत साबित कर दिया जाएगा और वहाँ पे आप अगर एंगर नहीं होते हैं तो you are wrong. So we should do sometimes express my anger in fruitful way, helpful way. Anger management. Identify aggressive acts shown by self and others. Throw something. It is a very common way. खासकर घरों में देखा जाता है कि कुकर टेढ़ा हो गया, थाली उल्टा हो गया, कभी कभी गैस चूल्हा पटका गया. So that is the throw something. If you get angry without thinking what will happen, you are starting to throw anything whatever you in your head. आपके हाथ और that time no one can take anything because that is the chandi of God. Hit someone or something. Hit someone or something. Yes. Okay. So you get anger, but in the nice way, fruitful way. What happened after that? Disordering the shape of the cooker and this and anything, you have to harm, and after that you some financial harm also. So anger is good. Okay, hit someone or something. Hit someone is very easy. Giving slap, giving boxing. आप थोड़े से अगर मजबूत हैं तो आपके सामने कोई नहीं आएगा. एंग्री में आप मुंह से कम और बातों से ज़्यादा बात करते हैं, बातों से कम बात करते हैं. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट डरे हुए भी आते हैं कि इनसे मत बोलो, इनको गुस्सा आ गया तो कहाँ पड़ेगा और कैसे पड़ेगा ये पता नहीं है. Getting someone face. Remember one thing. When you get angry, you are not happy. You can't be happy in the angry mood. आपका चेहरा बिगड़ जाएगा. आपका स्माइलिंग फेस बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. जब भी आप गुस्से में होते हैं, आपका मेकअप पूरी तरह से उतर जाता है. ठीक है? So Try to be good and simple. Break something, call someone names. This happens in many times. In angry mood, you call someone names. Always. Oh. And give too many awards to that names. Too many compliments. And silent treatment. Go other to gang up. Frustrate. You must. You know that if you can't do anything, अगर आप उससे कमजोर हैं, फाइटर नहीं है, तो क्या करते हैं? आप उसका फ्रस्ट्रेट करते हैं, रिमूव करते हो. She is not good. She is always doing wrong thing. She or he is not talented. Only try to show up. That is the problem. So try to observe your potential, try to do one thing, then your life becomes very easy or very good. Next slide, sir. I choose to feel good about myself through expressing my feeling. I express angry feeling in words that are fair to others and you. I use fair words. I feel very good. This is very important. One thing more, never get angry with a man who has nothing to lose. ये चीज समझ जाइए कि वैसे व्यक्ति के साथ हमें कभी भी उलझना चाहिए जो उसके पास खोने के लिए कुछ नहीं. ठीक है? So this is a very important. You express your angry in the nice way, or you also select the person. कहते हैं ना कि नंगा से गंगा भी डरता है. ठीक है? तो हमें उन लोगों से नहीं लगनी चाहिए. We should change our path. We should not involve the bad activities with them. Okay? What does his will get angry? क्या आप लोग भी ऐसा बनना चाहेंगे? तो I choose to feel good about myself, expressing my feeling. आप अपने फीलिंग को अच्छा रखोगे, you feel good, you feel best, you feel comfortable, then you can do anything in your life, in your house, or anywhere. If you frustrate inside, you are not happy inside, then you cannot click a good picture. आप अगर गुस्से में हैं, आप अंदर से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है, बहुत उदास है, आप एक अच्छे पिक्चर भी आपकी नहीं आ सकती. तो लाइफ तो बहुत दूर की बात है. लाइफ कैसे अच्छी हो सकती है? ओके? The more I learn to take care of my anger, the more powerful I become. It is very right said. If you take care of your anger, you become more powerful. Because it just enhances your energy in each and everything. And it is also proved that if you get angry, you can give the good speech. In angry mood, you can do better work. जब घर में आपसे बोला जाता है कि आप काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, उस दिन जब आप काम करना शुरू करते हैं, आपका सबसे अच्छा काम होता है, जल्दी काम होता है. क्योंकि you want to prove yourself that you are wrong, I am right. Okay? Yes, sir. No difference between anger and aggression. Anger is an emotion, it is okay to be angry. We should think that it is a type of emotion and anytime, anybody can get angry according to the situation. Many things is happening in our society. Many things happening which is not I accept, which I don't want, but it is going on. हम लोग कभी नहीं चाहते कि 6 से 7 होने के लोगों को बैठना पड़ रहा है. लेकिन इसका कोई उपाय हम लोग कर नहीं सकते। एंड वी शुड enjoy this session because if you take positive, if you take negative, you are doing such a wrong thing. In mind you are doing something wrong. All things are negatives, but when you take positive, it is good, looking very good, fruitful for our future. Aggression is acting out inappropriately and it is not okay. Actually, what happened? Anger and aggression both are the different things. Aggression is your habit. If anybody say anything, you show your aggression. You show your aggression and try to do according to that, which is not good, which is not fruitful for your life, not happy your life. So aggression must stop from our life. Way to keep cool. How to remove our anger? Anger को कैसे हटाया जा सकता है, कैसे रिमूव किया जा सकता है? Get exercise every day. This is the 100% right. If you get exercise every day, you become the Ramdev Maharaj. So you will feel very easy, good and healthy. At least 10 minutes and 20 minutes we should do exercise. Then we also feel energized, energetic and very good in the all time. Eat right. This is the more problem. What happened in our life? I remember very well in childhood. I used to write whatever my mother used to prepare for me. But right now, what happened? Maggi, pasta, pizza, and they don't want to break. घर के खाना पसंद नहीं करते. And that is the reason our children, youngster, got angry very soon. Okay? Get enough sleep. Why not we get enough sleep? What is the reason behind it? Due to the mobile phone. आजकल के बच्चे नोटबुक से ज़्यादा फेसबुक पर इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. Facebook, WhatsApp, and involving all the things. And mobile is the, you can say, the home, because you can get each and everything in this mobile before the age. And that is the problem. If you give right suggestion, if you give the good suggestion, they get very soon angry and think that you are wrong. My parents is wrong, my teacher is wrong, I am right. Due to the such types of activity, Facebook, WhatsApp, because they can't take proper sleep. Learn to relax. Relax is a good medicine of anything. If you relax, then you can do any work very easily, very peaceful. Know your feeling. Sometimes it's happened that we don't know what is our feeling. According to that, we should do our work. हमें कोई समझता नहीं है, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, मेरा फीलिंग क्या है, और अकॉर्डिंग टू फीलिंग जैसे होता क्या है कि हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं, घर में प्रेशर कुछ और चीज़ का होता है. That's why we get angry. So हमें दूसरों के फीलिंग को भी समझना चाहिए कि what is the right and what is the wrong. Write about those feelings. Which types of feeling you have? Sometimes what happens, many student is introverts. They are talented, no doubt, but they can't go on the stage. And that time, like forcefully you say anything. Then he became angry and said that my teacher is not good because they force me. They know very well that I cannot go there. They try to insult me, and relationship between the student and teacher become very bad. Next question. Ways to keep cool. Find a quiet place where you can get any type of energy. This is a very right quotation. आपको पता होगा कि हम लोग गया और बोध गया में रहते हैं. भगवान बुद्ध ने सारे जगह छोड़कर बोध गया में इसलिए गए थे कि वहाँ बहुत ही शांति थी. और जिस ब्रिज के नीचे वो ज्ञान प्राप्त किए थे वहाँ ऑक्सीजन बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है. तो भगवान खुद बनने को मैं तो नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन अगर आपको शांति चाहिए, आपको अपने एंगर से मुक्ति चाहिए, तो ट्राई टू फाइंड क्वाइट प्लेस. टेक अ टाइम आउट. You must take time. Think about it. What is wrong with you? What is wrong you that you are not survived very easily, very nicely? That is the problem. If you don't know the problem, it is very difficult to survive your life with your parents, with your brother, with your sister, with your relatives, with your friend. Make good decision about what you see and hear. What happens many times, we try to listen half news. हम लोग आधा न्यूज सुनते हैं और उसके हिसाब से डिसीजन ले लेते हैं. आपने महाभारत में देखा होगा कि द्रोणाचार्य ने आधी न्यूज सुनी थी और उनकी स्थिति क्या हो गई थी. तो आधा सच पूरे झूठ से ज्यादा खतरनाक होती है. When we know proper and right news, then we take decision. Okay. आपको बहुत सारे लोग बोल दें कि अरे वो जगह तो बहुत बेकार है, उस स्कूल में तो ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. आपने डिसीजन ले लिया कि चलो मैं जाने वाला था, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, क्योंकि आपने आधी बात सुनी. किसके लिए बेकार है, क्यों बेकार है, क्यों ऐसा बोला गया, आपने वो बात नहीं सुनी. आपने सिर्फ इतना सुना कि वहां जाना ठीक नहीं है. मे बी सम रीजन. सो टेक डिसीजन आफ्टर लिसनिंग प्रॉपर स्पीच. Choose friend who make you feel good. It is very necessary because each and every relation we get from our ancestor, mother, brother, sister, but only friend we make ourselves. And it is very necessary that if you make good friend, then your life become very good. That's why it is said that you said about your friend, I will say what you are. So, friend is all, or friend is always good. Learn to forgive and forget. This is a good medicine. Forgive and forget. Many things happening in our life. And when we try to remember that bad situation, just we create some nonsense in our mind. And we cannot handle that such types of situation. So why not we forget this thing and forgive that person also? Due to that, we face lots of problems. So this is a nice way to survive your life. Yes. Okay. Identify potential consequence of your anger. हम लोग एंगर कर लेते हैं, गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, लेकिन उसका रिजल्ट हमें पता नहीं होता कि रिजल्ट क्या होगा. So that is a very important chapter or slight physical harm to someone or self. You physically harm, you can break your hand in the anger, you can hit your head in the anger, destruction of property. As I said that sometimes what happens, you got too much anger and you just throw the cell phone, you throw the mobile, but after that you realize that it is very bad because this is the harm of our property. Loss of family and friend. Due to angerness, you can lose your family and friend. This is not good because anger always give you destruction, not a good things. And going to jail. No one wants to go to the jail because jail is not a good place. सभी को घर में आराम से खाना खाना चाहते हैं, जेल की रोटी तोड़ना कोई नहीं चाहता। तो अगर हमें ये चीज पता हो जाएगा तो we should stop doing such of this activity in our life. I stop blaming others and myself. Blaming only keeps people upset. जैसा कि मैंने पहले बोला था कि अगर आप किसी को ब्लेम करते हैं यानी कि आप अपने टैलेंट को नहीं करके दूसरे के टैलेंट को छिपाना चाहते हैं, हाइड करना चाहते हैं, and this is not get any types of benefit to you. So stop blaming. Blaming is a way of not respecting people. आप किसी को ब्लेम करके न तो रेस्पेक्टफुल बन सकते हैं और न ही रेस्पेक्टेड आप हो सकते हैं. I express my feeling and then try to work things out. First of all, I express my feeling. What I think about you. मैं आपके बारे में क्या सोचता हूँ, क्या जानता हूँ. If feeling is good, then you also respect me. Feeling is not good. Whatever I am doing, according to me, I am best, but according to you, I am not best. I don't have to hold on to my anger. I find way to let it go. I talk about hurt and angry feelings. I look for discuss my words and action that hurts others. Sometimes what happens that my behavior hurts others. So I will discuss and try to make good suggestion, right suggestion, which is good for you, which is bad for you, and according to that I will do. Calm down. Show mutual respect. If you respect anyone, then other respect you. Other, your elder or younger. In the problem, actually we don't know what is our problem, and we try to fight. We try to solve out. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि अगर आपको बीमारी पता नहीं, आप बहुत सारे दवाइयाँ लेते रहते हैं, तो आपकी वो बीमारी कभी दूर नहीं हो सकती. तो सिर्फ try to find out the problem and then find the solution. If you know the problem, then easily you get the solution. Now that you understand the mechanics of anger management, how does this relate to your student in elementary school? So try to manage all the things with the best way. Try to keep calm in the class also everywhere, and then you will be a good in each and every field. You will become progressive and energetic.